Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 21 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage. There we go, it's right over here. Choose your SD card. Now this opens up Files, Applications, so from here you want to tap on the three dots, go to Storage Settings, and in here you'll find the Format option. Tap on it. This will bring up a window telling you that basically formatting your SD card will remove everything from it. So if there is anything on that card that you would like to keep, back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you just don't want to back it up or you have already done it, tap on the Format SD card and that's it. It's been now formatted. It did kind of look weirdly, but that's basically how the format works on here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.